welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I want to share my fitness favorites for this month. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So the first thing I want to talk about is the MRM Natural Whey Protein. So this is the new look, and this one has probiotics, so it comes with 2 billion probiotics, and it's still antibiotic and hormone free, so that hasn't changed. The grams of protein are still the same, the 18 grams, and the calories in this are 100 versus 90. The old one had 90 calories, this one has 100, so it's not a huge difference. The carbs have also changed, so this one has 4 grams, the old one had 2 grams. Not a huge difference, again, not a big deal. What else? Again, still this one has no artificial sweeteners, which is one of the reasons why I really love this one. And it's hormone free, gluten free. This is the flavor rich vanilla, which is the one I always get. And yeah, I absolutely love it. Love the new look, and I love the new taste. I do feel like it tastes a little bit better, and it blends so much better. So yes. Next on the list, protein cereal. Okay, so this is by Naked Nutrition. They sent me these packets, and I love this one. This is my favorite, the apple cinnamon. So what I usually do is I'll make protein ice cream with my MRM, and then I will use this as toppings. And this one has 120 calories for the whole pouch. I don't use the whole pouch when I top my ice cream or whatever. I just use a little bit, and has 5 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fat, and 15 grams of protein. So really good. Again, only 5 ingredients, and this is grass-fed whey protein. And yeah, absolutely love it. Naked Nutrition also sent me their protein packets, and I got vegan protein. And I really like this one. I love the fact that they don't use a lot of ingredients. So in the pea protein, all you have is the protein, the vanilla, you have coconut sugar, and that's basically it. So it has 25 grams of protein, 5 grams of sugar, 8 grams of carbs, and 140 calories. So that's really good. They also sent me the egg white protein. You can use this to make protein pancakes or just drink it alone. It contains organic coconut sugar, natural vanilla flavors, and they use sunflower lecithin instead of soy lecithin, so that's always a plus. The next thing I want to share with you guys is this Oxygen. So it's a great afternoon pickup. It's a great pre-workout. It improves endurance, faster recovery, increased stamina, greater mental clarity, jet lag recovery, and also it decreases hangover effects. So what you do is you pour this little shot into your water, and for best results, it's best to drink it on an empty stomach 30 minutes before or 1 hour after each meal. So basically what's on here, it's just distilled water, stabilized oxygen, and sea salt. Alright, next on the list is this organic sports drink. They sent 3 flavors, fruit punch, lime, and orange. There is 90 calories in each bottle, and that is for the entire bottle, because you know sometimes with energy drinks, it'll say 90 calories, but you have to look at the servings per container, and sometimes it's 2 and you're really not having 90 but double that. But with these, the entire bottle is 90 calories. It's gluten-free, vegan, it has 0 artificial preservatives, and it tastes pretty good. It's just like drinking Gatorade or Powerade. The only difference is that the ingredients in this are a little bit cleaner. Next on the list are these multivitamins. These are gummies, and I love gummies because I hate swallowing pills. So gummies are great. And these have 15 milligrams of collagen, and they have vitamin A, which is great to apply as a topical, but also to take it internally, and it has vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B6, which are all great, and it has vitamin B12, biotin, calcium, iodine, zinc, and like I said, it has collagen. So it has over 10 key nutrients, and they taste pretty good. I mean, they're not the best, but what they do for you is great. It has no artificial flavors, no artificial sweeteners, no preservatives, no wheat, no milk, no soy, no gluten. So also no fish, because a lot of these vitamins, they have that gross fish aftertaste. But these are great, and yeah, I highly recommend them. Well, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!